Good. Oh, it's rain. So we're going across the forest. Going down over Wooden Bridge now. We're going out to sort of Ringwood, St Leonard's area. Should have bought a drink when I was dieseling up. Oh dear, you ain't gonna want to hear me coughing and sputtering. And it's a bit of a house clearance job. I've got no idea. They said there's a washing machine and other bits and pieces, so I'm going to go and have a look, see what we come away with, see what treasures we can collect. Might be rubbish, might be brilliant, who knows. Oh god, blimey. Let's have a look, see how the bridge is down here.
In a quarter of a mile,
down.
turn left. Take the next left.
Oh god, blimey.
Continue for 3 miles.
Just go across the forest now. Through Burley. Sun's trying to come out. So I messaged a few people when I got in. And a couple of people got back to me, so this person here, they definitely got a washing machine, and they got TV, I think, and a few other odds and ends. So we'll see what TV might be alright. I might even be able to sell it. If the fridge freezer's in really good nick, I might even try and sell that. We'll see what's going on. See how it is. Ooh, slow down, sunshine. It's more like it. And tomorrow we're picking up an exercise machine. It's only a small one. And we're also picking up a box of cables. Nothing special about that. But a box of cables is a box of cables. cables don't take much to process, but they're worth a, you know, they're worth a little bit of money. All you got to do is cut the ends off, and the ends go to shred anyway, so you don't lose that. Oh, then our cleaner come round. That makes me sound terribly posh, doesn't it? As you all know, I'm not. Gorgeous Kira is a bit, but for me, I've got a massively big house, but it just means that I haven't got a. My days of cleaning toilets are over. Do you know what I mean? I did enough of that. You know what I mean? Bloody rubbish. He's just buggered his wheel up, I think. So I don't like cleaning, and the Gorgeous Kira is not keen on it. So we have a cleaner comes round. She's really good. Looks after the house when we're not there. Do you know what I mean? It's just she's really good. And yeah, keeps on top of everything. You know, we do bits and pieces, but she just keeps on top of everything, and it's just.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto the cross.
And for the small amount of money that that she charges, it's worth every penny. So anyway, she came round, and for the last, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks, I suppose. No, she's done it 3 or 4 times now over the last month and a half, 2 months, I suppose. She always comes up with a bag of electrical goods from all her other clients that she cleans from. She's given me a few leads, and she's just like yeah. it almost pays what she gets me,
2 miles.
and what she does almost pays her hourly rate. It's like quite handy. So yeah, that works well. So she brought a load of electrical stuff over for a big hold all full of electrical stuff. I mean, none of it's any good. It's all mank. Some water going on here. So that was Burley. Oh, this is Burley. Oh, this is actually Burley Street. Oh, here it comes. Do the right thing here. Sun's coming out now. Normally means when it's been raining hard, then the sun comes out. It's carnage on the roads. Oh, I thought you might do that. Why did I think you might do that? Little van syndrome. Ah, he's off now. Cheeky Porsche. Now I was going to do this job tomorrow, but I thought, you know, let's might be a bit long-winded here, so let's go and have a. I ain't got nothing else, so I'll just be sat at home, not doing a lot. So, and it gets me out of the way of the cleaner. She has a name, Ali. It gets me out of the way of Ali. Don't like the word using the word cleaner. It's just shite, isn't it? Sun's out now, look. Well, I'm about to get onto the A31 and try not to kill myself. And then we'll be there in about 10 minutes. Excuse me. So I'll message you.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left.
So I'll message you on the way back, and we'll take it from there. I'll speak to you all later. Hello. Right, I'm hoping I can get out going out down this way.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Avon Avenue.
Ooh, I don't know. Find out in a minute. Oh, but that was really sad. It was a lady, no age, and her husband died. He had a heart problem, and she's selling up, and yeah, selling up, and all the stuff that, you know, it's like going into storage. She's going back to Thailand, and she said, I don't need this. I don't want to pay for storage, and it just needs to go. So I've ended up with a dishwasher that was totally knackered, an old washing machine that would seen better days, got to be honest. It's really, as you can tell, it's a really nice area, but it's a very nice area to live in. Couple of TVs, video recorder, DVD players, all the normal shit. Loads of electrical, couple of old laptops.
Take the next left onto Avon Avenue, then turn left onto Herne Road.
And old Dyson Hoover. Don't know why I took it. It's all plastic.
Take the next left onto Herne Road.
No, I'm not going to go that way. I'm going back the way I come. Back across the forest. Oh, she was a nice lady. Oh,
Continue for 1 mile.
Life's so short, isn't it? Fucking hell. You know? I mean, she's like, wow, difficult to tell how old she was, really. Probably 40s. And her husband was a similar age, I'm guessing. Yeah, makes you wonder, don't it? It sort of puts things into perspective a little bit. I mean, that could be a glorious house. It's sold. I mean, what will happen now is that whoever buys it, it won't stay as it is. It'll get pulled down because it's an older house built probably late 60s, early 70s, and it'll just get pulled down and they'll put a house on there and they'll sell it for £1.5–2 million, I expect. Masses of land with it. Beautiful view at the back, and yeah, just hope she got a good deal, didn't get stitched up. Yeah.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Verwood Road, B3081.
This is the old road in the Bournemouth, this.
Take the next left onto Verwood Road, B3081, then turn right onto the slip road to A31.
Right, back across the forest.
Turn right onto the slip road to A31.
Well, I'm glad I picked that lot up now, because I've got time to strip it down tonight and then repack, because there's a fair bit.
Continue on A31 for 3 miles.
Here we go, got to get across 4 lanes now. Lanes, 1, 2, no, I'll come out on the slip road, now I've got to come out again. There's that dickhead, isn't it? He's right on my arse. It would surprise me if he now goes into the outside lane, right hand lane. No, he is going to Ringwood. See what time it is. 10 to 4. Busy old day.
In 2 miles, take the exit towards Burley.
So what else do we pick up? Well, washing machine. No, washing machine, dishwasher. Almost brand new exercise bike. Top of the range by the looks of it. I'm going to have a maybe look it up. It's I was a bit gentle with that. Couple of TVs, old school. Oh God, it made me cough though. Oh dear, oh dear. Right. Oh, I've got a sip of juice here. No point in overtaking. I'll come off in a minute. But that was a good little job, that was.
towards Burley. Take the exit towards Burley. In 200 yards, at the roundabout, take the second exit. In 200 yards, turn right. Turn right.
What's going on here?
Continue for 3 miles.
Back across the forest. It's that nice sort of sunlight now. Everything's going to start turning all the oranges, yellows, autumnal colours. I'm going to have to strip out those TVs. This is a bit of a bugger, but you can do that. Might actually try selling them. Oh, lamps though. Got a couple of lamps. If they're not too damaged, I'll get them indoors and see if I can see how they clean up. Stick them on face base for £5 for a pair. Another light. Another one is actually quite like it. But, yeah, even if you sell them for £5, that's more than you'd get if I scrap them out. Staying there, well done, my man. Get over, it's a bit of water. Jeez, oh. Come at me on my side of the road because there's water running down the side of it.
In 300 yards, slide left onto the cross.
It's not worth getting too far into that hedge there. I'm just going to lose a mirror.
Take the next left onto the cross, then turn right onto School Hill.
Through Burley. Any witches?
Turn right onto School Hill.
Times, it's only 4 o'clock, the shops are dead, nobody there.
Continue for 2 miles.
There you go. Well, that was a worthwhile afternoon. Still stopped there. Did he hit a pothole then? Or was he broken there? I don't know. How beautiful is this? Oh, those horses on the golf course. Oi! Got to put me ball there. Right on the greens. Why did it take you 9 shots to putt that? It's bloody youth marks all over the green. One day I'll go across that road there to the right. It's narrow. Horse in the road. Go on, there you go. On you go.
quarter of a mile, turn right onto the slip road to Lyndhurst.
No, we're not doing that. It's going to carry on the forest.
Turn right onto the slip road to Lyndhurst, then turn right onto A35.
Nope.
In 300 yards, turn right onto the slip road to A35.
So your Google Maps want you to go the first turn in there. It should be this turning.
Turn right onto the slip road to A35.
This is where they were digging the road up the other day. Stuff like lights there. Well, I don't know what I'm having for my tea tonight. There's a pizza in the freezer. Could get a kebab. Could get Chinese. Or I could just get some out of the freezer. I think I'll do that.
In a quarter of a mile, slide right.
Right, get these videos downloaded as well tonight. Those done.
Take the next right.
Go on.
Continue for 1 mile.
Camper van still there? Yeah, it is, yeah. And they're there for the night. Go back, search the pages again, see what we can find. See what we can find. There's a hearse.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto Tiptoe Road.
There he is, taking the car out in this weather. You've got to give it a good polish off. Just go through the water. God alive. Can you see anything?
Take the next right onto Tiptoe Road, then turn left onto Bashley Common Road.
See a thing.
Take the next left onto Bashley Common Road, B3058.
Oh, you left that late. Couldn't have gone anyway, but it's going to be getting a bit dark. Are we doing any cable stripping? Cyclist or just people going super slow. Right, well that is about it. Yeah, I'll speak to you all later. Hope you enjoyed it. Speak to you soon.